Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller. Now, there's an incident of a man that is said to be a security guard that stole a gun from the Crossroad police station that is in Kingston that was later on arrested by police officers the next day in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This incident had happened on the 22nd of August 2019 when the man that is said to be a security guard went to give statements. Now, there is two different stories that had been sent out there on social media pertaining to this story. One of the stories says that the man was there giving statements, and it was that he was giving somewhat of a medical report due to the fact that he was dealing with a case of something about assault and bodily harm, and while he was submitting the medical report, he then attacked a police officer, took the gun from off the police officer, and escaped with that gun. The next side of the story is that the man was inside of the police station and he asked if he could use the bathroom that was in the police station. He was told yes, and he went to use the bathroom. However, he returned and said that there was a problem with the bathroom. So a police officer went to take a look at the problem, and while he was in the bathroom with the police officer turned his back trying to find what was the problem with the bathroom, when it is said that the man attacked the police officer, took the gun from off of the police officer, and escaped. It is also said that the man tried to shoot at the police officers 2 times. However, it is said that the gun had no bullets in it, and it is also said that the man escaped in a nearby gully. It has been reported that on the 23rd of August 2019, this man has been arrested by police officers in the morning on Marchpen Road in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. Viewers and subscribers, again, this is something that is out there on social media where a lot of people is saying that this is nothing shorter than the movie, and some is saying that this is the first time they have ever heard something like this. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.